Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while and today I have an exciting video for you all. You join me in sunny Scotland and we actually have a new car unveiling which seems to be semi-frequent on this channel if you've been following for a while. Last car was the IQ that I purchased last October-November time, and now I have a new unveiling. So get ready for the new car unveil in this video. So you join me with some wildlife, some lovely sunshine, which is very rare. It's been horrible this May so far, and we're in the middle of May and this is where we're going to install it now. Get excited for the new car unveiling. Comment below at this point in the video what you think the car may be. Give you two clues before we show you. It's Japanese and it's one of 5 in the UK. Okay, and it's not we're not going to talk in the car. We'll leave you with that hint. 3, 2, 1, and let's flip the camera around. So we have some exciting sheep things going here. This is turned into a nature wildlife programme. However, 3, 2, 1, and voila! Here is the new car, which may come to surprise to some of you. This is the Lexus LC 500H. It's been a dream car of mine for many years, probably 4 years, maybe 5 years. I've been on up the LC 500, and this is a limited edition, launch edition is what they call it. There's only 5 in the UK between Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England. So with the UK we've got 5, and I've got one of them, which is a fantastic thing. They all come in this pearlescent white colour, which we'll get a full review out soon, but I did wash this, but it seems it's got sand on it today. Yeah, it's pearlescent kind of colour, looks really cool, and I'll show you the interior quickly. The flush door handles are a really neat touch, but little Lexus logo there. This is what catches your eye, is this interior with the white kind of centre. We've got the navy blue, royal blue trimming, and then this is like orange, which probably doesn't show up in camera, makes it a little bit red, but like it's like tangerine, and that's kind of like a dark orange. It's pretty cool, pretty funky. As I said, I'm super excited to get this on the channel and show you guys it all, but I wanted to show you a quick look of the car while unveiling it. So yeah, this is the car, and I'll show you the back. Pretty cool. I've got a black sheep looking at me. Hello little sheep. You like the car? So now I've got all my fellow sheep fans behind me. What do you guys think of the Lexus LC? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unveiling. Very quick, we'll get many videos out to you guys, so stay tuned for more Lexus content. As always, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Ciao.